welcome to IWA Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and today I have with me Ritvik Dhanjani over here. He's going to be talking to us about Cartel. So, सबसे पहले, the question that arises is कि it's pretty much a content about underworld activities, underbelly में जो होता है and all that stuff. So, what I want to know is कि your character, ये जो story है, as far as what I have understood from the trailer, it's quite similar to I don't know, it's an uncanny resemblance, you can say. Once upon a time in Mumbai, where there are also, it's the reality. I think if you talk about actual books as well about underworld and all, there were stories where there were multiple gangs, there was a truce, and then wo jhagda ho gaya, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya. So is it like actually an adaptation from
No,
there? Is that from there?
no, no, nothing at all. I'll tell you what. First thing first, I have to tell you, your voice is amazing, man.
Thank you so much, bro.
Such an amazing voice you've got. So, starting with that, I'll tell you a little bit about what Cartel is. All right. Cartel, at the surface level, you might think that it's a crime drama. There's politics involved. Yes, there is a lot of people killing each other, guns and blood and all of that. But no, primarily, if you actually dive into the story, it's the story of the family, which is the Angres, which is me, Abhay Angre. I am the king of the family, and it's about my family. It's about my brothers. It's basically the story of these three brothers and how their business and how once the madness of the throne takes over. Yeah. Let's for like when the game of that particular throne begins, how it actually affects people at such surreal and personal levels in their family, that it's uncanny of how the hunger for power can make you a different person and a different persona. And every character in this particular series, there is no black and white. Everyone's gray. Everyone's got their hands dirty. Everyone's got blood on their hands. How and who and why, and who's the right person and who's the wrong person to have blood on their hands, leaves it's up to the audiences to decide on whose side are they going to be on. But they will have to choose characters. They will have to choose sides. That's how interesting and intriguing the story is, that it will make you want to choose sides.
Wonderful.
So it's primarily about the family. Yeah, primarily about the family.
So I think there's a lot of thrill and drama involved. I think there are all sorts of elements involved in one, and I think that's always a factor that makes every project interesting.
Yeah.
Thrill ho, comedy ho, all sorts of elements merged in one project together. But right. Such a lovely cast. There's Tanuj out there who's absolutely amazing. Supriya ji, Rani Mai, I think the way she has been absolutely killing it. Jitna maine dekha, I can't wait to see the actual series. I mean, such a lovely cast coming in together. What do you have to say on that?
Man, I am genuinely one of the blessed ones who could really crack this part through. When I was offered the part and I had to test for it for the makers and the directors, when I tested for the part, I had no idea about what the storyline was or what my character was much. I literally had a very little brief. But once I got through and once they gave me the script and when I read it, I fell in love with the writing. It is so beautifully written. And after that, the kind of magnanimous cast that they have, which is let's say at the throne we have Supriya Pathak, one of the most finest actors that there is. I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan. And it's for me to be in one frame with her, to be just be able to perform in front of her and with her in the same frame is like those अपना जीवन पूरा है दोस्त. अपन ने कुछ कर लिया. That's exactly why we're here sitting in a frame with her. दोस्तों ने बिल्कुल कुछ सही किया. So it's such an overwhelming feeling, and not just Supriya ji, of course Supriya ji, but apart from that, Jeetu Bhai, who plays my brother, which is Madhu. He's such a fine actor. He's got such a great hold on his craft, and he's such a giving person and an actor. You get to learn so much from him. He would constantly be there to support both us brothers. We are the younger brothers. Like me and Tanuj are the younger ones. He's the elder one. He would literally take care of the both of us like we're brothers. And that brotherhood off screen is so strong that I can't tell you. And similarly, what I have when it comes to Tanuj, the way that boy is disciplined, the amount of discipline that is, हम कहीं ना कहीं थोड़े बिगड़े हैं, हम थोड़े फैल जाते हैं अपनी जगहों में, but with him I got to learn the actual, importance and the meaning of discipline. कि क्या कितना जरूरी होता है to be sort of, to be just one guy and be disciplined about what he's doing. It's brilliant to be working alongside him. We have some amazing actors who I don't really have scenes with, but I wish I did. Like Amay Wagh is there. Amay Wagh, oh my God, what a performer, yeah. There's Amay Wagh. Gajraj Rao is played by, not Gajraj Rao, Gajraj Ji, the character's name is Gajraj, is played by Shubhroda. He's again one of the most finest theater artists that we have. We have Samir Soni. I have Monica Dogra, who's opposite me. I mean, like it's like a cast. We have Mrinal Dutt, who's a friend and a fabulous performer. He plays Yuvraj in the series, a cricketer. Oh my God, there is like a mad cast in this one. Like it's a big.
It's actually an interesting pool carton in itself. That's what we.
Yeah, man.
But obviously, when it comes to these kind of, obviously, I'm yet to see, so I can't really say what exactly it is about. But जहाँ तक ट्रेलर देख के पता चलता है, we can say it's a lot about thrill है, drama है, and everything, as I mentioned earlier as well. Right. We love those content. India में आप बोलो हिंदी content बोलो या फिर movies outside, say Pablo Escobar and all that stuff. We all love it. So what are your personal favorites of content when it comes to underworld and all these stuff?
Oh, I am a huge Peaky Blinders fan.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of that series. Man, I'm just getting the scenes of the entire Peaky Blinders playing
in your mind.
He says Peaky fucking Blinders. I love that series. What else do I like? I'm really a huge fan of detective dramas. I'm a huge fan of Sherlock. And the television version of which is played by Benedict Cumberbatch. Oh my God, Kamal, what an actor, what a performer. Let's say, what else? Luther. I love Luther. I love True Detective. I really like those kind of thrilling series. Those are like my
really intriguing. The best thing about these is that if you start watching, na, जब तक खत्म नहीं करोगे आप तब तक you don't feel like वो चैन ही नहीं आता.
Yeah. बिल्कुल.
Absolutely. What I want to know from your end is that, as you mentioned, there's no character which is like black or white, it's all gray. So when you are playing such a character, just the external characteristics of it, sometimes वो कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना कि दिमाग में इतना चढ़ जाता है कि it becomes a little difficult to probably isolate it from your actual self. So did you have those kind of struggles as well कि अरे नहीं बहुत ही भारी character है, I am unable to isolate, or were you absolutely fine that way?
I don't resonate with anything that Abhay does. मतलब मुझसे कोसों दूर है वो. So in real, and I think for an actor it's very important that you have to have that switch on and switch off button. True. Because if you don't have that, if you don't have the control over your craft, then it can sort of consume you. And I want to be an actor for the rest of my life. I don't want one character to consume me so that I can never play anything else.
In your mind always, right?
That's not what I want. So so I pretty much try my level best to not let the work that I'm doing consume me completely. So no, that's not a problem that I faced. But yes, there was a lot of overlap because I was constantly on a rut of the way Abhay talks. That there were times in between when I was hanging out with my friends, I would just get into that language, and everybody would get irritated. Why the fuck are you doing this? What the fuck are you saying? Can you just not talk normally? And they feel, and because I would get conscious, damn, what am I doing? I have to be normal, but then again suddenly अपना हवा बाहर निकल आ जाता है. So it was a dichotomy. तो उसमें कभी वो problem हो जाती थी. But नहीं, और उसका भी मजा अलग ही था यार. So no. The problem that you mentioned, no, I didn't really face that.
Basically, you have that switch on and switch off mode working properly.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Any actor or any performing artist, I love using the term performing artist because they kind of include every bit of it. You are a performing artist yourself. I've always admired your anchoring skills as well. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था ये चीज. At this stage of your career, when you select, it might not be always a web project, TV ho, kuch bhi ho. When you select a project कि हाँ यार ये तो मेरे को करना है. What is that driving force? Because obviously, usually people, what happens with actors and performers is that, you know, जितने वो लोग accept करते हैं उससे ज़्यादा वो लोग reject करते हैं. That is what usually happens. So how do you understand कि यार ये चलेगा, this is gonna work for me, this is not gonna work for me? Do you still get it right?
यार वो क्या है ना, it's a there is no formula to get it right. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
There is no particular formula. I only feel anything that genuinely speaks to my heart. मतलब मेरे दिल को लग गया ना कि दोस्त यार इसमें मजा आएगा, छोटे इसको मत छोड़, इसको मत जाने दे अपने हाथ से.
So you're more of a gut person that way, right?
Yeah. I truly follow my gut. मतलब मैं कभी confused हो जाता ना. I'll tell you what I do, शुभो. मैं अगर किसी life में किसी चीज में confused हो जाता कि आज मुझे pancake खाना है या मुझे आइसक्रीम खानी है, मैं confused हूँ ना, तो मैं सोचता दिमाग में pancake और आइसक्रीम. बोलता किसी को बोलते हैं काम करे, उंगली choose कर. The moment they choose any finger, there is a voice in me that says, "Ah, fuck, I wish," or "Oh yes." There is a voice that it says, and that is the voice that I follow, because that voice just comes with a gut, you know. And I follow that all. I mean, I try to as much as I can. I try to follow that because I think that's the guiding force within you, which is constantly telling you what you truly want, what you truly want to feel. So no matter the project, no matter the platform, no matter the monies, no matter what, I think that voice needs to speak to you. You need to speak to yourself, and because once you go back home, you have to be content with what you've chosen, what you've done. You've come back home with a heart full of gratitude. That I'm so thankful that I've had such a great day at work. You know, I think that's exactly what I look forward to, and nothing else.
Absolutely, and it's been working for you so far. So, mashallah, आगे भी जाके hopefully that works for you as well in the long run as well.
So much for having me here, and I just want to tell each and everyone that, guys, you know, बहुत मेहनत की है हम सब ने to make this show. It's been almost 2.5 to 3 years. हमारी 3 साल की मेहनत है इस show में, and it's one of the genuinely one of the maddest scripts that I've come across. And specifically, I will not want to miss out on telling you guys that the climax of the show is the most. I haven't read a climax like that. It is mind-boggling. रोंगटे खड़े कर देने वाला climax. I can't wait for the people to just see what happens in climax. So that's that. The show's releasing on the 20th of August, and this is one of the biggest shows for MX Player Gold, because this is the first one on MX Player Gold, which is a subscription, which is a paid subscription per day. I think I've read about it. It's just ₹1 a day, sort of a subscription with these gold types. It's freaking amazing. It's really affordable, and you've got some massive content there. So please come to MX Player Gold and Alt Balaji and see it for yourself what we have done. I can't wait for you guys to see and tell us what you think. So thank you.
सुन लिया ना आप लोगों ने? तो 20th August is the date. Please do mark it right now on your calendars, and please go support this wonderful team of hardworking actors, and I'm pretty sure you will love it as well.